After 158, and today we're going to view yet more random stuff. Right, so we've got start with some monster connectors again. First we've got this guy is it's a kind of a door face. Looks a bit worried. No, that's not dust on it. Funny colour. That's how the figure actually is built. Next up is this pinkish purple guy. He's got he's got kind of big giant mouth and a hole coming out of it and holes. We've got he's a red spider-like creature thingy. Last we've got is this one like an insect-like mouth. Like or something. Now we've got the two mystery monster box ones to open. Let's see what we've got in here. It's a green one and it's all covered in like tentacle like things. It's kind of a bit wrapped up. We got the next one, the last one. He sounds like a really dopey looking face, like Derb. I mean, he's glossed 2 times and kind of looks like the shape of it is wearing some kind of mini skirt for some reason. What pipes and see, try connecting it together, see what random rubbish you can get. There. Not a very clever idea, but that's not what stand up. Yeah, there. I have no clue what that thing is, but yep. Right, next item. The next item is crazy cubes. Yeah, they're these strange looking like cube-like things that shoot marbles, and you've got 2. This is better is £6, which is particularly priced for something as small as this. Of course, I wasn't insane to pay that for it. Right, so let's see what we've got. Instructions. Kind of wreck that package. Stop budging the camera. First we've got out the packet this ice like frozen guy. He's not looking very happy. That's number 6. It comes with, when you press the button down on these, and they've got a marble in them, which you can find out. So what's the secret one? Let's figure out. I get the figure out. It's I'm not sure. It's a ninja-like guy with a pair of nunchucks, so you can ball. Makes some sense. Yeah, got nunchucks, so you can press these and go and stack them in top of each other for some reason. And then if you press it down, it just flies out. So, they've got cards. Let's see what that is actually called. There's a spare disc. Got a throwing star on it. Some reason. Some cubes. A leaflet showing you them all. What have we got? Have a look. Jewing Cube. He's an ice figure and Kubarashi. That's a rubbish joke. These. What's the back? Crazy cubes and some kind of code that looks like Basingo. Okay. What does he do with these? All the cards slot into them. Yeah, that's pretty pointless, isn't it, really? Right, next. Next is this bizarre looking thing called Mondo Grinders. It's a bunch of, as you can see, a bunch of animals on skateboards. So, which one have we got? Well, that's why I've left it this side so you won't know. Planet Earth is our only skate park. Treat it with respect. What? What's a stupid... Yeah, we got the octopus. So there's the skateboard. It's not that bad. It's not real up to it though. And there's his character we've got. Yeah, it's... What's his name? It's his name. What's his name? His name's Ollie. Well, he's a skateboarder, so yeah, you know, these are bendy figures, so you can bend them and... Well, I said bendy, it's not fully bendy, you can't bend his legs, so it's a bit crap. And you can just stick it on the plunger on plunger like that. If I can get the thing stuck on. No, it doesn't even want to stick, it's just some use, isn't it? Ugh. It doesn't want to stick on. Right, never mind, I've got him. Yeah, and that's Ollie the magic bump, no, I mean Ollie the octopus. Yeah, it doesn't really do much, it's just bendy and octopus. Right. Yep, that's enough of that. Thank you for watching.